If you could do that in 10 minutes, wouldn't it be worth it for you? I just want to show you really quickly that the inside of this dryer is amazing. It's scientific. We call T3 the science of fabulous. It's not just about science, it's about fabulous, because we all like really beautiful things. This dryer is gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
And it's completely redesigned from the original Featherweight, which was a huge award winner for us. This dryer has a stronger motor, so it's going to last longer. It has an ergonomically designed handle so that you reduce wrist strain. You have 8 heat and air settings here, so you can totally customize your drying depending on your hair type and texture and the result that you want. There's a cool shot button so that you can set that style. You have that broad concentrator that I talked to you about earlier that's going to dry your hair bigger sections faster. And then the last thing that we did was we listened to our consumers who said, Dan, we are totally forgetting to change the filter in our dryer. So now when this gets dirty, you simply wipe it off and your dryer is ready to go.
Because
thank you, you're welcome, right?
You used to have to try to push something down, you break a nail, you'd scuff something trying to get into that filter. No more.
And that little plastic cap always broke and fell off, and then you had to tape it on. Okay, I know that story. Use Tourmaline to dryers. It's about soft air technology. We are the only ones that have this patented soft air technology. So it's about the perfect combination of heat and air velocity. That air picks up all those negative ions as it travels through the dryer. We also have a broad concentrator tip on our dryer, so you're covering a bigger surface area. You're drying more hair faster.
Okay.
That's how you get those great dry times. Those negative ions are also doing the job of sealing down our cuticle. Our cuticle is our hair's natural defense. That's right.
Watch this.
46% improvement in shine. How much money are you spending on serums and sprays that promise to deliver shine? Maybe it's your blow dryer. 45% better style retention. How much money are you spending on sprays to try to get your style to last till the end of the day, but by lunch it's gone?
Absolutely.
Who wouldn't want more style retention? 34% improvement on body.
Yes.
Body is one of the #1 things. When we look at someone and their hair is full and it bounces back and it's shiny, we say that's healthy hair.
And you know what?
And if you could get it all in less than half the time, wouldn't you sign up for that? Absolutely.
Every single minute counts, and we are a multitasking society. 58% faster.